let us tell you guys, this is not easy. So we have these straps completely loose. We sprayed WD-40. My boots.
Do you want milk?
You want a milk?
Yes.
And what else?
Milk.
And?
Night.
Oh, and night. Yeah, baby.
So, do you want to come to
Yeah, I'm gonna get him a milk. Do you want a milk too?
No thanks.
No thanks. Okay. Yeah.
I want a game.
Okay, we'll play the game when we get a milk. Come on. Let's turn these lights on too. You want back?
Yes.
Okay, let's turn the lights on. Gotta find a load today. Oh, you're slipping. You got a little onesie on. But first, we're gonna get these boys. Ooh. You're welcome, baby. Got it?
Yeah.
And I made one of these good old stools last night in about 2 minutes. So she just didn't have the geometry right. You got me? Oh, you want the drill? With the drill?
That one's yellow.
Yellow? Good job, baby. Let's plug these in.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't ever touch this, okay? There you go. There we go. Make some milks?
Yeah.
All right.
But except me.
You don't want one? Okay. And then we'll look for loads. Got to find something for the truck today. And then we might head north for a little bit. Get one try to figure out which one you're going to pick out? I think you're going to pick out that one.
This one?
Yep.
Nope, I'm going to pick up this one.
What? Did you win in that race?
Yeah.
Put together these bar stools, guys. They're pretty nice.
But
Teakwood.
You won over there.
But I won over there.
Should we do it one more time?
Maybe. And there's no loads, guys.
Let's do
They're
it.
sure doing a good job on that roof, though.
Let's go race.
That is almost done. I'm going to do gutters and close up the sides. We'll be good to go.
Can we go race now?
I'm going to look for a load still. But
Go
there's
race.
not a lot of loads out here, guys. So wish me luck. Or I'll just be hanging out for a weekend.
Can we race?
So there's a couple loads out there. C.H. Robinson, all their loads right now are just getting bounced till Monday. So they'll show on the app they're available for the 3rd. Wow, your head is on there. Careful. They'll show available for the 3rd, but then you actually click on it and it's bounced to Monday. It's called bouncing loads. So it's getting scarce out here. There's a couple of solar panels going up to Virginia, but they're at 14. I offered 19. What else do we got? And then JB Hunt has one, but it doesn't pick up till tomorrow. I'm trying to book one today so we can have a weekend, but I'll take whatever I can get, right? And then Cowdy has one. Was right down the street from us, but they didn't even budge on a counter offer. What? They went to, it was 1,900. I bid 3,000 all the way to Tampa, and I have to go over to get it. And they came back with 19. So I said, nah, probably not going to happen. So, Tank's getting shoes.
Let's do another race.
What are we doing? We're having a race? I think we're going to have a race. I'm going to look for loads for another,
You know kind of what we're going to do this time?
what?
We're going to race from there to all the way to the bush.
Okay, to the bush.
To that big bush.
If I don't find something by 2 o'clock, though, we're just going to have to look for something for Monday.
Yeah,
You got your shoes?
He got his shoes already.
Good. And he got his shoes. Good job. Good job. Yeah, go ahead, Case.
Yes, I'm ready, set, go.
Ready, set, go.
Okay.
Good job. Yep, go backwards. Backwards. Good job. So we might get this solar panel load.
Okay.
Yeah, go backwards and turn.
Why is it slow?
He offered 17 on it, so we'll see.
Why is mine getting slow?
You'll probably run out of battery. Let's do one more slow-mo jump. So if you guys were a part of T-Dub's live feed, you might have seen the attempt at these bar stools. But she got them. Oh, it's already dead? Okay, I'll plug it in. So, what do you think? Perfect height, right?
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah. T-Dub just couldn't get the geometry quite right, but
That's what he said to me. Was putting together like
geometry
painting.
By the way, she's on the phone with her friend somewhere. Who's your friend?
Oh, it's Sam, and I'm on hold.
Oh, you're on hold. Okay. Yeah, did it die?
It's really
Okay, I'll charge it. It's beautiful out today. It's got to be like 70 something.
So, are we gonna do anything more?
I'm trying to get this load. All depends on if I get a load. All right. No car. Where's Mama's keys? I gave you Mama's keys earlier. Where's Mama's keys?
Oh, no, downstairs.
Exactly why I don't give you keys so much. Oh, they're downstairs? And also, guys, we almost failed our inspection because our fire extinguisher was almost on the red, still in the green. And also, our good old mortgage company sent us the escrow money back, which is pretty cool. Wasn't expecting that. What do you need, babe? I don't know what that means. We need to find Mama's keys that I gave you. But yeah, we'll see if we get this load. I said 18. He said 17, so we'll see. $100. But if not, then I don't know what we're doing. I don't know what she's doing. Oh, goodness. This little middle one and this little one, they love driving a golf cart. They love going in a golf cart. So we got a load. That's C.H. Robinson. If you saw that right there, he just called me. I was looking for loads on JB Hunt. It's okay. No, go ahead. Kylan wants me to go. But we got one. So it picks up at 10 p.m. It's another solar panel load. Well, that is a blessing. Watch out for cars. Stop. Stop. There you go. Little box truck doing a U-turn in here. All right. Well, get a load. We're going to go over there and change the sending unit out real quick. Stan's going to come help me. He texted me this morning. He's like, hey, man, I'm off if you want to change the sending unit. I said, sure, man. Let's get it done. So we'll go over there and tilt the tank because they're pretty low right now. They're super low on fuel, quarter tanks. Get over there and tilt that so we can get that sending unit in there, and then we'll have 2 of them that work, which should be awesome. The first way for these guys to come back. There we go. Hi, guys. Good job, dudes. Yep. Go park it over there, please. Thanks, guys. Hi, baby. Okay, let's head over with our fire extinguisher, Diet Coke, and a scooter. Taking the middle with me. We're going to go get this sending unit in, hopefully. And Tank is taking a nap, and T-Dubs is resting because she just cleaned the whole shower and vacuumed and steamed the stairs.
So I can't fit through his car.
Okay, thank you. Okay, December 11th, guys. We are giving this truck away. Thank you for everyone who entered to win it. Oh, your scooter's in there? Okay, I see it. There it is. And there's the old sending unit, actually.
Where? I don't see it.
It's in there. Jump in there. Got it? Here, grab this, baby. Grab this fire extinguisher in my arm. This bag. Got it? Grab that, that box. There you go. Put it right on the ground in there. All right, but yeah, December 11th, guys, we'll have a 2-hour live feed extravaganza, giving this truck away to one lucky winner. No, jump in there. Let's go. Seatbelt on, please.
Get these down.
You gotta get those down? Okay. Got it? All right.
Ready?
Let's do it. It's got the excursion, too. All right, let's change this tank. So this one right here, we have to rotate it out. You got your scooter?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You got it? All right. So Kason just found a tennis ball. And Stan used to work with it at a tennis ball factory. And I didn't know they were 2 pieces.
Yeah.
So 2 pieces and you glue them together?
They glue them together, then they put glue on the outside, then they glue the felt,
All over it?
back of the felt, and then they put them in a machine and it just spits
Nice.
them in.
There you go.
Spits them out.
And so what we're doing down here, guys, is I didn't know there's bolts down here. There's 4 of them. And we're just going to soak these with WD-40 because everything on this truck is a little bit weathered. So we're going to soak them and then get those off just enough where we can rotate the tank so we can get to that top sending unit. So on this side, it had a little extension that was coming out of the actual sending unit. So it's the same connector as the other one. And that one has a longer cord, so it should be good. We got them loose, so she should move now. Well, maybe with Stan's help. Let us tell you guys, this is not easy. So We have these straps completely loose. We sprayed WD-40. There's a rubber gasket in there, and you have to break it free all the way around. And even then, I was using my knees and bumping up on it as we were pulling, and it would just barely go an inch, 2 inch, inch, 2 inch. And Stan has some war wounds on his hand. There you go. Well, we got it, so now we're gonna get it out. Woo! Casey, thanks for helping. And here comes the old one. Okay. Float and all. There we go. We gave us a new gasket with the kit, so we'll get the new one in there. But that thing is definitely original. I had to pick out the screws because they were so caked. Okay, so it was a 22 and a 26 up here. And then this is just a breather. Don't worry about it. It goes to nowhere. We took it off and then we were like, But Stan remembered, he watched the video last night, that we had some candies. Let me see them. You want that one with the rosy with the hearts?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I was like, oh yeah, Case, go get those. And Case, and thank you for all your help, buddy. We couldn't have done it without you, man. And voila, we're back, guys. It's definitely a two-man job, so I truly appreciate Stan. And they never changed the original one. You can tell the one that has the pole right here, that's the original OEM. It was so dirty up top. And it has a whole different mechanism than this one, which is kind of like the ones we just got. Plus, it has a longer line coming off the top. This one has a separate connector with that little extension. So if you have one that has an extension, it's probably the original one. And Stan, thanks, man. You always are the man. Oh, we're both dirty. Oh yeah, you got a hurt hand now. You took a wound.
I don't want you to get no blood.
No worries. But that thing's awesome. Look how clean that is. And you said you bought it 2 years ago?
Yeah.
Man, that thing's clean. I told T-Dubs we need one of those. She's like, why would I want that? I'm like, because it can pull the house. That's why.
And the boat.
And the boat. Let's check these gauges and see if we got a good reading. And we have our new fire extinguisher. That is in the green. Okay, let's check these out. Oh yeah. Nice, we're getting a good reading. Because it was showing about 3/4 before. So, awesome. There we go. Thank you so much, Stan. Now I got 2 gauges at work. Bye-bye, Stan.
Be good.
All right, brother. Take care, man. Nice. Thanks so much for all your help, man. Yeah, this thing is gorgeous. I'm going to hear it start up and take off. He's got the Harley Davidson wheels on it. Ooh, and he's also got a 7.3 crew cab. 2002. There we go. He just put a new 4-inch exhaust on it. Yeah. Love it. All right, Stan. Thank you so much, bud. You are the man. Crazy boy, let's get home. Let's go get... You found it. Stan found you a marble? Let me block that sun out of your eyes. Show me that marble. Wow. Do you want to go eat food in the park?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. See her?
Oh. There she is.
There she is.
Is she still in the car?
Yeah. Mom wanted to have a little picnic out here, eat some food. It's such a pretty day, guys. Hi, Mama.
Mama! Can I open my door?
Yeah, we're all done. Hi, Mama.
Eat at this little table.
Little picnics?
Do you know
I like your
what Dada
giddy
got?
ups.
Do you know what Dada got?
What did I get?
Poop candy.
You give them to your brothers? Well, God bless you, and God bless you, Stan. Thank you so much for helping, man. That was a lot harder than we thought it was going to be. T-Dubs hit the good old Panera, I guess. Some kind of broccoli something. What did you get?
I got a salad.
Oh, and all Kylan cares about is the scooter
And the keys.
and the keys. And then these 2 guys
Got poop candy.
are chopping in here.
I want poop candy now.
Poop, jeez. You have fun at school today, though?
I want poop candy now.
Good day, and you got 2 days off?
I want poop candy.
Okay, eat a couple more of your food and we can have it. But we love you guys. God bless you. I'll pick up my load later on tonight, and we will see you on the next one. Oh, yeah, and the reason we're having a picnic in the back of the cars is because that table is like a teeter-totter. It goes like the bottom part's broken, so it goes back and forth. So, yeah. Anyways,
You want a bite?
love you guys. See you next one.